When it's time, spread the wing and go ahead. This mom doggo from Eden later joined with me, and this is my favorite place in Eden. It's around what is that time? 3:15 p.m. 8th of April 2026. So I'm going for the Raleigh River hike. Every year I go for go with my father, and I'm missing him obviously, but that is the reality. Like every my father is he's being aged. It's not like that I'm saying he's aged, he cannot do, but reality is that sometimes we have to make our own way, own path. Going towards Raleigh River Steak is must for me, and as I said, safety I always maintain. So I click the video and then I stop. So from here you can see the stairs. I always go with my father. This time alone. I'm seriously, I don't know that I will miss him a lot. I'm habituated right now. When you are separated from somebody, maybe that time you can realize that how much important the person in your life. Either it is fighting, either it's the adorable one, but both are important. So once I'll go back, they will see this video going. So I started at around 3:15 or 25. Right now it's 3:37, and I came here. From here I did some selfie. Like as I said that whenever I'm do the hiking, I don't do the video. Once I stand somewhere and then I will do the video. So I was clicking the video because right now nobody is with me, so I have to do it by my own. So just going. There is Raleigh. From Eden I'm going towards Raleigh. This is the way last time I went with my father. That is the Guru. And here goes the Raleigh. Seriously, when 2023 we came here, it was full. Though it's April, but still uh, যেটা আমি দেখছি কি নদীতে বাঁধ দেয় সেরকম it's that's why. So there is that much of water right now. It's almost dried up. So let's see if we can, not we. The contrast, the lush greenery of Raleigh and the stone and boulder of the Raleigh. So this is Raleigh right now. When previously I used to do the vlog, the water sound was too much. I cannot hear anything, and it was like I cannot go to the river side also. So right now it's what I can say. It's not even I can say it's a khola or nodi river. I cannot say. It's kind of nala. My father and my mother cannot come here, but still my father will be deserted when he will see that. Reached Raleigh. So if you are wondering how did I click picture and video of mine, so that is my normal stand. It was online. I bought it 300 I guess maximum, and bag, shoes, etc. So here Raleigh, and I'm going back after clicking some picture, and water shot will be there. Now you see that for my vlogging I'm not using anything expensive, like no GoPro, no gimbal, no iPhone, a normal one. So this is what I do my vlogging, and I enjoy a lot. When my sneaker is less than 1000. This is safe. I'm not in deep water. Don't worry about that. No accident. I'm still sitting in that stone, big stone. Safety comes first for me. When I was coming back, I met this cute soul, a mama dog. So this is a buddy I got in Rainy River. So it just came to me. I always carry some biscuit. I don't know where I can get the stray. So yeah. Oh you, oh you, oh you, oh you. And now going up towards Eden. I don't know, this time I don't feel it's tougher for me. Maybe this is third time, that's why. Hopefully. But so it's 4:30 and I'm going up towards Eden. So the only thing is missing the running commentary of my father, the background music, not background music, his continuous the commentary দেখে চলবি আই এবার পড়ে যাবি তোর মা বসে আছে and all. So that is what I am missing right now. Other than that, almost everything is same, and within 1 hour I have completed. So I have to go up. That's why I will switch off the camera. So it is fun without that running commentary. Now I understand it is not that irritating. When because I always do the vlogging, so if anybody is continuously commenting like running commentary, ঠিকঠাক চলবি দেখে চলবি আচ্ছা এদিক দিয়ে যা ওদিক দিয়ে যা. So sometimes I feel very irritated. Even last year, so I said ke dhar আমি কিছুই কাটবো না, everything should be there, the voice will be there. So right now I can feel the silence. I did it, but I will be happier if I have a group or friends. If my parents are not coming, if there is a group or one or two friends, I will be more happy, because that adda, that laughing, I am a born leader, I can lead them. But if there are more people, it will be fun. It's nothing like that that I did not enjoy. Yes, I enjoyed, but solo, I don't think for me it's much more enjoyable. At least in Eden, auntie is there, uncle is there, and it is there, so I'm just talking with them, but and then I just sleep. So once the food is ready, I'm just going out. So if there is a group of people, it will be better, that laughing, joke, leg pulling each other, that will be better, I guess. I make friends wherever I go, either it animal, bird, or human. I'm not discouraging anybody for going per solo, but I am showing the reality. So stay tuned for the next video, and thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima's YouTube channel.